Rip to you, bro.
Oh, I didn't see you there. My bad. I was eating a scrumptious chicken fillet sandwich from Popeyes. But anyways, that Arby's sandwich was great. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Best KFC chicken sandwich I've ever had. That's besides the point. Oh, I'm cracked. Woo! What's up, guys? I'm glad you're back for a new video today. We're about to go check out some fireworks at this local fireworks shop. There's supposed to be some good ass bangers. You know, we're out here. We ain't trying to spend no $5, $10, $20. We're out here spending big boy racks. We're talking about 50s, 100s, thousands, splash. You know, we're only doing it big out here, nothing small. And a bunch of bitch chick sandwich. So we'll pick up the vlog once we get there. And yeah, just tune in.
Yeah, you got it. Go on.
Tune in.
You got this.
We'll see you guys there. Wait, where's the wind pointing to? That way.
Like that means anything.
Alright, you go first.
Oh, you want me to go first?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh shit, you went lying. I told you. What the fuck? Yeah, let me try this one. This is me recruiting for the Army. If the Army sees this, pretty soon this will be a real big weekend. What was that bitch say?
Alright, let's do this. 9/11.
That's how 9/11 started?
No. Nah.
You know, we got a free watermelon out here. Guys, we're in the hood. Guys, we're about to blow up one of these bitches in a watermelon. I feel sorry for this watermelon. The bitch is about to go.
Rip to you, bro.